Installing your beautiful new double roller blind couldn't be simpler.
First, decide where you'll be installing the brackets. The brackets offer 3 methods of fixing. You can top fix the brackets to the top of the recess, face fix them onto a wall or window frame, or side fix them onto the sides of the recess.
Whichever method you choose, be sure to check that the brackets are fitted far enough forward that they'll clear any handles protruding from the window. Side fixing is the most common method when fitting the blind inside a recess, and usually the easiest, but top fixing can work great too, especially if the side walls of the recess are at an angle, or if the top of the recess is wider than the bottom.
Face fixing is usually used when fitting the blind outside the recess, as the brackets must be attached to the wall or to a wooden batten or architrave. It can also prove the quickest method of installing if you have a wooden window frame, though in this case, don't forget to check that the blind will clear any handles protruding from the window. Once you've decided where you'll fit your brackets, use a pencil to mark the positions of the screw holes. Use a small size 3 drill bit to drill pilot holes first, then open those out with a size 6 drill bit for a neat finish and an easier install. Tap a rawl plug into each hole, then screw the brackets firmly into place.
On the side where the controls are located, take the plastic chain runner attachment and clip it into place in the centre of the bracket. Fit the rear blind first. Slot the depression end into the hole in the bottom part of the bracket opposite to the controls. Then raise the control end of the blind up to its own bracket and slot it into place at that side. Pull down slightly on that side to lock it into place. Repeat this process for the front blind, slotting it into place in the top section of the brackets. Take the chain for the front blind and drape it over the chain runner so that it's kept clear of the rear blind's chain. It is a legal requirement that the child safety device is installed to keep the chain taut at all times.
Hold the P-shaped cleat against the wall as far down the wall as possible, while still allowing the chain to move freely.
Mark the screw holes with a pencil, then drill your holes and insert rawl plugs. Use the screws provided to secure the cleat to the wall. And it's as easy as that. Your new blind is fitted and ready for you to enjoy.
If you have any problems fitting your blinds, our friendly customer service team are always happy to help 7 days a week. Made to measure, made simple.